Thokozani mayehla thokozani zindlondo ke mkhuluma khepula here Thembi wa mo Dlozi Lami ke Dlozi Lami or umoya or eng wa le re bontsha metlholo metsi le oil di tlhakana bjang metsi le oil di tlhakana bjang ka gore o mo profeta ebile o mo tsheletsi ebile o the disease ya ka mo o tlileng ka moteng mara disease ya teng motho a teng ha tswa ha itse bana ba hae santse ba mo tlhalosetse gore okay ngwana hao okay mokete ha itse selo ka mogara motso ha itse gore ka mone o ira hang ha o ile o utlweletse information bona ra itse ka tlhatlhobo sese. Right, you are misleading the nation. You are scamming people. And then batho ba itse gore mara pila before o ka ya ka mogara motsola o ba setse o itse information or ka mola ba tlhokofaletse ke mme or ba tlhokofaletse ke ntate gona ka mogara mo motho mo one go tswa ntate go tswa mme go tswa wena ha pape mara ntwe makatsang fela gore ba bolela seZulu fela ba bolela Setswana fela ka ke tsona tso di itse wa o sa bolela di venda wa o sa bolela di changane he ba tswa di ba bona ba bolela Sevenda ba bolela Changane re khona bona ka nnete ba fitlhile ba bolele mabitso a bona le di ID number ka everyone with the ID number e ka tlogela go misleada batho dilo tso dira o ba wese sesi o ba wese you are the next Bushiri o wese ku need an interview Moja love re khopela interview le Thembi ke nya go butsisa tse go butsisa tsona o ne national TV re khona o stedimusa batho ga ba tshwanela gore go ya o nyaka thuso o be desperate ga ba bona di-camera ba tshoga ba tshaba go nganga le mo ba bona gore e se tsona ba tshaba go nganga tse dintse e se tsona ba sala ba nganga go se no tsamaya nna a ro tshaba re o tswa mo TV ra tshaba go ngangisa tsese nna I've been here since 10 years ke le mo dilong tsa boya ke le mo bongakeng from 10 years ke le mo bongakeng nna a go misleada ko wena a go fura ko wena ra itse ka ha memoya ra itse ka ha badimo wa bona sehwahwa ke motho wa bona nonyane ke motho wa bona eng you are misleading the people always about to Thembi always about you are getting worse this is getting out of hands you have to stop it we have to interview you gore o butsise pila gore o mango ka ene nna go mang metsi le go e di tlhakana ya tloela jala skombori.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Yeah guys, isangoma lesi siyamchitha uSithembi sithi she is a scam. uSithembi guys is well known as umlamleli wabantu kuhlelo elikuMoja Love channel 157 elithi Dlozi Lami or Dlozi Lami. She speaks to the ancestors and tell that person what their ancestors are saying. Most people love Sithembi, but some agree with this other sangoma who's criticizing her. And again guys, we cannot all agree in a checking few comments on Facebook. The first person said Thembi is gifted. People just have to a way to criticize good things that people do for others. Apart from the language barrier, Aibo, this one is super jealous. He's always judging others as if she's or he's a god of Dlozi. Then the other one said medium ngaka sangoma is all different. Go back to your 10 years and learn again about spiritual difference. Tokoza. Thembi is doing a great job. That's why they attack her. I was telling someone about her an hour ago. Also about animals interpretation, said Mpoentle was the best. She just need to channel isithunywa sakhe cause siyamlahla endleleni. And the other one said that there is a difference between a medium and sangoma. This one need to be educated before jealousy musoreseka stroke. Thembi ki medium wena mamtobahale. I agree with him. Her thought as much as some might not want to admit it. Why is she questioning their names? Akiri, she should know, and also they speak the same language. They are all aggressive, and all these things don't add up. So yeah guys, that's all I have for today. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.